Hi guys, so this week in our morning meetings we're talking about animals in the winter, and I included this little book for you, and it's just it's the poem that you're going to see, or not the poem but the piece of writing that's here, but it's just in book form. So this is just something that you can read. There's lots of snap words in it, so you can hunt for the snap words, you can find the long vowel sounds, which there are lots of them, you can color it and just enjoy it. I'm not going to read it with you, but I just wanted to explain what it is and why I included it. The next thing that I included was this packet called Animals in Winter. And this piece of writing is the same as this book. It's just in a different form. So you have little book form and you just have a piece of paper with it. But what you're going to have to do is you're going to fix some sentences. So it says, winter fix it. What do bears do in the winter? This is not right. It needs some fixing up. So you're going to think, what do we do at the beginning of a sentence? What do we do at the end of a sentence? Where do capital letters go? There's a capital D right there. There's a capital T there. And then let's read it. What do bears bow in winter? Does that make sense? Do you think maybe that's one of our snap words? Maybe we could turn that around. So you're going to take these words and write them correctly. So I'm going to just get you started here. The word what, you would have a capital, right? And then in nice handwriting that it's on the line, you're going to write the sentence. And then D, what do I need to do here? I need to make it a lowercase. What do bears do? And I'm going to write every word, even if it's spelled correctly. I'm going to turn that D around. Now at the very end it needs punctuation. It's starting with what. So what kind of punctuation do you think that's going to be? Is it going to be a period, a question mark, or an exclamation point? If you said a question mark, you're right, because it's asking a question. Now you're going to answer it. What do bears do? Do they migrate? Do they adapt? Do they hibernate? You're going to write that. And you're going to be able to find the word hibernate, or I guess it's going to say sleep here, but that means hibernate. So you can, if you want to be really tricky, you can write hibernate. And then you're going to illustrate it. So that means drawing a picture of a bear sleeping. Now this one says, I can make a sentence. So here it's the same kind of thing. It's all out of order, and you're going to cut these out and you're going to put them in order up here. And I'm going to read to you how it says, birds south fly in winter some. So you're going to cut these out and put them in order so they make sense. Now, you kind of have a clue that the one with the period is going to go what? Last. So you put them in order, and here's the word some. Trace it and write it 1, 2, 3 more times. And then you can write the sentence after you've put it in order and draw a picture. Same thing. What animal migrates? Figure out what you have to fix, where the punctuation goes, where the capital and lowercase letters go. Write it, answer it, and illustrate it. And this last part, ABC order, is brand new to you, I think. So here's the alphabet, A through Z. And what you're going to do, there we go, is you're going to put it in ABC order. That means number 1 would be the letter that starts at the beginning of the alphabet, which is A. And in this case, we do have an A. So you would write animal. And then you would look and see, are there any words that start with B? Oh, there is. And you would write it down. Are there any words that start with C? Yes, there are. D? No. So I don't go there. E, and I'm going to go through the alphabet and then put the words in order as they come in the alphabet. They're not all going to be there because there aren't 26 words, and that's how many words there are in the alphabet. And the other thing I've noticed here is that all of these have different first letters. So you don't have to worry about going to the second letter, which is more complicated. So that is your packet work for this week. I'll show you a couple more things on Wednesday's lesson. So have fun.